Hi guys, most of them get answer 5 in this wrong way. The guys goes here and cancel this 5 each other, and 5 divided by this 1 times this here 1. Now 5 divided by this 1 is 5. This is wrong way. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS, here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this same, we are going to follow this left to right rule in the problem. Now here division and multiplication both are equal priority. We have to follow this left to right. So left to right is this division. Here 5 divided by 1 by 5. Here we are going to introduce that KCF. That means keep the first one 5, change the second one, this one, to multiplication, and flip the third one. 1 by 5 flip as 5 times this 5. Now left to right is this one 25 times this 5 here is 125. This is the correct answer.